If you're trying to decide between FreeAgent and Sage 50 Cloud for budgeting, you're in the right place. Both have solid features, but they also have some major differences, especially when it comes to usability, automation, and cost. By the end of this video, you'll know which one is the better choice for your needs, and I'll also share an alternative that's been a game changer for me. FreeAgent is more modern and cloud-based, which means you can access it anywhere, and it's designed with freelancers and small businesses in mind. It has automatic bank feeds, real-time cash flow tracking, and built-in invoicing. But while it's great for simplicity, it lacks advanced forecasting tools, and its reporting feels a bit basic if you need in-depth budget analysis. Sage 50 Cloud, on the other hand, is built for more complex accounting needs. It offers deeper financial tracking, strong reporting features, and even inventory management, making it a solid choice for businesses with more detailed budgeting requirements. But here's the catch: Sage 50 Cloud isn't fully cloud-based. You still need to install it on a computer, and while it does have cloud-connected features, the setup can be clunky. Plus, updates and backups require more effort compared to a fully online solution like FreeAgent. Next thing, ease of use ***. FreeAgent is far simpler to navigate, and it automates a lot of things like tax estimates and invoicing. Sage 50 Cloud, while powerful, has a steeper learning curve and can feel outdated, especially if you're used to more intuitive cloud-based software. The fourth thing, pricing FreeAgent is included free with certain bank accounts, or you can get it for a fixed monthly fee. Sage 50 Cloud, however, has a tiered pricing structure, and it can get expensive, especially if you need multi-user access or advanced features. The last thing, who should use what ***? If you're a freelancer or a small business looking for simple, automated budgeting, FreeAgent is a great pick. But if you need advanced financial tools, deeper reporting, and don't mind a bit more complexity, Sage 50 Cloud has the edge. Now, while both are good, after trying all of them myself, I found an even better alternative for budgeting that offers more automation, better reporting, and is easier to use. If you want the best free trial with exclusive benefits, check out the first link in the description.